Hi love, so this is me saying how's it. I'm giving you a video of my room, how it looks all clean and stuff. So yeah, this is just my room. And there's my new fridge. And it says, yeah, no limits, free of spirit. And this is my wall stuff and my purpose thingy. And there's the Mac. Yeah, and there's some people dancing. And this is my kitchen with all my fruits and stuff. The vegetables are in the fridge. And this is the bedroom. So yeah, fans on, little ironing board there, the bed. And this over here is the bathroom. Yep. That's just a quick guide of my room, my place right now. I just want to tell you that I love you. Can't wait to see you soon. Yeah, miss you stacks. Okay, thinking a lot about you all the time. So see you soon. Lots of love.